Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Today let's make a classic street style chicken seekh kebab in your kitchen. Here I have 750 grams of chicken mince, which I'm going to grind again into the mixie and make a nice paste out of it. We've got a nice paste made out of this. Now let's add the remaining ingredients. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. We like our kebabs nice and spicy at home, so I'm going to add a tablespoon of chili powder and a little more. A heaped teaspoon of garlic paste and a heaped teaspoon of ginger paste. 3 green chilies here which are finely chopped. I'm going to add this as well. A teaspoon of garam masala powder. 4 to 5 teaspoons of roasted gram flour. 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. 1/4 cup of finely chopped coriander leaves. Half a lemon juice. Salt to taste. And I'm going to knead this really well. Let's crack an egg in this and mix it well. After mixing this well, let's cover it and keep it in the refrigerator for an hour. It's been an hour. We had kept the meat to rest in the refrigerator. Now let's make the seekh kebabs. For that, I have a few wooden skewers. If you have steel or iron skewers, you can use that as well. And I'm just going to grill these seekh kebabs on a grill pan. So I'm going to take a handful of the mixture here, roll it well into cylinders, just making the process a little easier. And I'm just going to insert the skewer right through, press it well, and just place this aside. Similarly, let's do with the remaining mince. If you want to have a nice smoky flavor to your kebabs, what you can do is heat a coal, burn it really well, put it in a vessel or a small container, put it in the middle of the mixture, and then add ghee to it, cover it well and let it smoke for at least half an hour to 45 minutes. It gives an amazing smoky flavor to your seekh kebabs. Now let's cook these seekh kebabs on a grill pan. I'm just going to pour a teaspoon of ghee around this. I've kept the flame on a medium to low, and after 5 to 6 minutes we'll turn it over. After 5 minutes, let's turn these skewers. You can see how beautifully these have got cooked. So now after another 5 minutes of cooking it on the other side, let's roll it to the side that looks a little not done. Now almost after cooking it for 20 minutes all over, our seekh kebabs are ready to be served. I'm going to sprinkle some chaat masala on this. And our chicken seekh kebabs are ready to be served. Serve them with some nice salad or any bread of your choice. Do try this simple recipe and let me know.